Mastering your budget. Mastering your budget with a variable income. Crafting a budget with an unpredictable income can seem daunting, but it's a challenge you're fully capable of overcoming. A substantial number of individuals navigate this terrain successfully, dealing with hourly, commission-based, or inconsistent side job incomes. The key to financial stability, even with income that ebbs and flows, is to create a robust monthly budget. It may require some adjustment, but with these 6 steps, you'll find it's not just doable. It's a pathway to financial empowerment. Step 1. Begin with a conservative income estimate. With a fluctuating income, it's wise to play it safe. Set your budget based on the minimum you might earn. Being conservative in your estimates sets you up for a pleasant surprise, rather than disappointment. Look back at your lowest earnings in recent months. That's your starting point. If you're new to variable income, don't fret. Make a sensible estimate for your leanest month and let that be your budget's foundation. Starting out with pen and paper can be incredibly helpful. Our variable income budget planning sheet can assist you in visualizing your finances. But for an even greater chance at success, consider downloading the Mint app. It simplifies the budgeting process and could be your ally in achieving and surpassing your financial goals. Step 2. Identify your expenses. After you've sketched out your incoming funds, it's time for a positive spin on managing your outgoings. Yes, it's the perfect moment to detail your expenses with enthusiasm. If you haven't yet, put savings at the top of your list, paving the way to a secure emergency fund. Then, with a spirit of practicality, take care of the essentials: food, utilities, shelter, and transportation. These are your 4 walls that protect you from the financial elements. Move on to other important monthly commitments such as insurance, debts, and childcare, treating each expense as a step towards your financial fortitude. Allow yourself the flexibility of a miscellaneous category for life's little extras, but approach it with the creativity of a budget-savvy maestro. Think streaming subscriptions, dining experiences, recreational leagues, and personal treats. Keep in mind, your adaptable income means your approach to discretionary spending should be just as flexible. If it's a tighter month, embrace the chance to discover joy in simpler pleasures, like a movie night in with delicious homemade pizza. It's about celebrating the small wins and staying positive as you navigate your financial journey. Remember, meeting your essential needs comes before indulging in your wants. That's non-negotiable. But rest assured, you're more than capable of handling this. Let's highlight a key point. Initially, you might need to forego some luxuries or estimate your budget conservatively. But if you find yourself with a surplus, that's what step 5 is for. However, stay the course. There's more to learn before you get there. And a quick shout out to a standout feature in Mint, the Paycheck Planning Tool. It's specifically designed for fluctuating incomes, assisting you in aligning your expenses with their due dates and alerting you to potential overspending as the month progresses. Step 3. Balance your budget to zero with confidence. Your new financial mantra: every dollar has a destination. That's the heart of zero-based budgeting, and it's your ticket to a balanced budget. Here's a quick tip. Zero-based doesn't mean emptying your account. It means smart financial planning. Always keep a modest cushion of about $100 to $300 to ensure peace of mind. Why not kick-start your journey with the Mint app? In zero-based budgeting, you're the boss. You get to direct every dollar, whether it's for charity, savings, debt, or dreams. This method turns your money into a mission, preventing it from wandering off on unnecessary splurges. Remember, spending is part of life's rhythm, but make it a dance with purpose. Aimless expenditures are like missteps that can lead you away from your financial goals. Now, if you crunch the numbers and find yourself with a little extra, celebrate that win with a high five to yourself. Then, put that money to work towards your financial aspirations. If you're in the red, take it in stride, especially with a variable income. Adjust by trimming the non-essentials until your income and expenses harmonize at zero. Step 4. Keep a watchful eye on your expenses all month. Let's let you in on a budgeting secret weapon: diligent expense tracking. It's simple, yet powerful. Record every purchase against its budget category to keep a real-time tab on your spendable balance. This is your shield against the temptation of overspending. With a fluctuating income, tracking what you earn is just as important. It gives you a clear picture of whether you're meeting your targets. And if you end up with more than you anticipated, that's a moment of joy and savvy budgeting for the win. We'll dive into managing those extra funds soon, but first, know this. Tracking your spending isn't just about numbers, it's about self-accountability. So, cheer yourself on with every entry. It's not just bookkeeping. It's building the financial future you deserve. Step 5. Embrace flexibility on payday. Embrace the ebb and flow of your irregular income with a flexible budgeting strategy that adjusts on payday. This agility is key to managing your finances successfully. When payday reveals a higher income than you anticipated, take a moment for a self-congratulatory high five. Then, add this extra income to your budget with a sense of achievement. Say your projected income was $4,500, but delightfully, you earned $5,000. Revisit your budget to reflect this additional $500 as a positive variance. Your goal is still a zero-based budget, but now with a bonus. This extra cash is an opportunity to strengthen your financial foundation. Think strategically about this windfall. It could accelerate your savings, reduce debt, or even allow for a modest splurge on something you previously decided to skip. Step 6. Draft a new budget for each new month. Think of budgeting not as a one-off task but as a monthly ritual that puts you in control of your financial destiny. Your budget is a living document, much like a story that evolves with each chapter. While the core narrative remains, each month brings its own nuances. Transfer the essence of this month's budget to the next, adjusting for any special upcoming expenditures, such as personal celebrations or routine maintenance. Anticipate and prepare your budget before the month starts, positioning yourself in the driver's seat of your financial journey, not in the rear view. You're fully equipped to budget with an irregular income. Remember, true victories in finance, as in life, are the result of persistence and hard work. Budgeting may become intuitive after about 3 months, but your commitment during this learning curve is crucial. Keep pushing forward. Your financial prowess is within reach. Subscribe now.